Hello, I'm Carol Norson with the latest from 2 Works for You. Oklahoma passing a major mark as the state health department confirms 746 new cases of COVID-19. That raised the total number of cases to more than 50,000 in the state, and 10 more deaths reported today. In fact, Oklahoma passed another benchmark in COVID deaths. 700 people have died. The COVID-19 outbreak is growing at the Claremore Veterans Center. The center now reports 36 residents have died from the virus. 129 tested positive, along with 61 of the staff members. The Oklahoma Department of Veterans Affairs says it's doing everything it can to prevent the spread of COVID-19 at the center, and they had 1 resident test positive in the past 6 days. Local schools getting the personal protective equipment that they need from Stillwater Emergency Management. The agency is distributing PPE to public schools in Kay, Osage, Noble, Pawnee, Payne, Creek, and Lincoln counties. It's part of the governor's plan to equip schools as they launch the new school year amid the pandemic. $2.8 billion in unemployment has been paid out since March the 1st. That news coming from the Oklahoma Employment Security Commission today. The agency says they've processed more than 800,000 claims since the beginning of March. And the good news, they say, is Oklahoma's initial and continued 4-week average numbers are down for the 8th week in a row. The city of Coweta is welcoming visitors in a whole new way. Coweta's mayor and city leaders unveiling the city's new Welcome to Coweta sign. It's on the west side of Highway 51 on the way into town. The mayor says Coweta's sense of community makes the town feel welcoming. Now to our 10-day forecast. Still another nice day to wrap up your work week with 89 for the high tomorrow. Cool in the morning on Saturday, warming up just a little bit into the low 90s, and then staying in those low 90s all through next week. That's a look at some of the stories making headlines. Thanks for relying on 2 Works for You.